Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Reordering an array list to put odd numbers first is a classic Java challenge. Count how many times line 19 executes for this specific list. Starting with our list of 2, 6, 7, 4, 1, and 8, the loop begins at index 0. Since 2 is even, the code skips the swap and moves forward. Next, at index 2, we find the odd number 7. This triggers our first execution of line 19 to move 7 to the front. That is 1 count for our total.
Continuing the trace, index 4 contains 1. This second odd value triggers line 19 again. That makes 2 total executions for the method.
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option B.